Cousins Matthew Creekkiller and Jacob Foreman grew up playing games side by side. Now they've turned pro in the unlikeliest of sports, cornhole.
And I believe that they can possibly win a national title. That is what I'm hoping for them. And I know in their mind, they're wanting the same thing.
And
it's almost a surreal moment. You've seen it in a dream, but then you look back and you're like, oh my gosh, we're here in this moment and doing it. Hey, can you do the national anthem on horseback? That's never been done. Sure.
saddle up with Jessie Lynn Nichols, America's singing cowgirl, as she takes the arena by storm as Miss Rodeo USA. And coming up a little bit later in our Cherokee Almanac.
I don't know that anyone really trusted the railroads. Certainly the tribes had no reason to trust the railroads.
Plus, Brad Carson is a natural-born leader. We hear what it takes to succeed as the 21st president of the University of Tulsa.
I hope people think that whatever I've done had an impact on making life better here.